So over here you can see that I have a bunch of video clips, and let me just go around and spread them around right here. So as you're editing, what might happen is that you might have gaps like this right here. And as you click on it, you can see that you can actually go around and select out the gaps that you have when you're editing. So now once you select it, what happens is that you can go around and right click, and then you get an option called delete and close gap. So once you go around and choose that, what happens is that the gap will be deleted and there will be nothing left over there on that space. You can similarly select out a gap and then go around onto edit and then click on delete and close gap over here as well. The shortcut key for deleting and closing gap is backspace key on your keyboard as well. And once you do that, you are sure that there's no gaps, no hidden gaps in between that is left right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you got these, and then you can see the gap right here. You can delete and close out the gap, and then what happens is that there'll be no gaps in between, even if you're working on a multi-layer project. So that is how you can delete and then close gap inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe